You open Cash App to make a transfer, and instead of your balance, you hit a hard stop. The verification failed error triggers, instantly freezing your account access. This lockout creates an immediate bottleneck. Your sending and receiving limits are frozen, and your access to premium features like stock purchasing and Bitcoin trading is completely restricted. We are going to execute a precise troubleshooting sequence. By isolating the specific failure point, we can clear this error and restore full access to your funds. Before we begin the sequence, you need 2 physical tools ready. Grab your valid, unexpired government-issued ID and move to an environment with optimal, clear lighting. Passing the verification algorithm requires strict compliance. We just have to bridge the physical information on your documents with the digital requirements of the app flawlessly. The first point of failure often happens locally, right on your device, before your data even reaches the Cash App servers. Step 1 is testing your connection integrity. Open your device settings and manually toggle between your local Wi-Fi and your cellular data to force the network to refresh and stabilize. Next, we purge any legacy bugs. Go to your digital storefront, force an update to the latest version of Cash App, and then execute a full hardware reboot of your phone. There is one silent software blocker running in the background of many devices that will cause an automatic verification failure, a virtual private network. This diagram illustrates exactly what happens when a VPN is active. Your connection bounces erratically across multiple proxy servers. Cash App's automated security reads this routed connection as a high fraud risk and rejects it immediately. Open your device settings or your standalone security apps and completely disable any third-party routing software before you open Cash App again. Delivering a clean, native internet connection removes the very first layer of algorithmic suspicion. Your device is now optimized for data transmission. We move to Phase 2, human input. This is where casual data entry creates a critical vulnerability in your account. Many users fall into the close enough trap. If you input a common nickname, an unofficial alias, or an approximate birth date, the system guarantees an immediate rejection. The digital input fields on the right must map precisely to the physical text printed on your government document on the left. The algorithm checks for absolute alphanumeric parity. If you attempt to feed falsified or highly inaccurate personal details into the compliance system, Cash App can permanently limit or ban your account. Exact data matching is a strict legal protocol dictated by financial regulations. It cannot be bypassed, and it cannot be approximated. Now we tackle the highest probability failure point in the entire sequence, the physical optical scan of your ID. The camera needs specific lighting conditions. Flood your environment with ambient natural light, but avoid any targeted, harsh beams directly over your workspace. Place your document completely flat on a dark, high-contrast surface. This separates the physical edges of your ID from the background underneath it. Do not use your camera flash. Glare and reflections obscure the security microtext on the document surface, which causes the scan to fail. Avoid holding the document mid-air or zooming in too tightly. Cropped borders deny the system the geometric data it needs to verify the card's dimensions. The camera lens needs complete visibility of all 4 physical corners and high-contrast, razor-sharp typography. This comparison shows exactly what the system is programmed to see. Side A fails immediately because shadows hide the text and the edges are cropped. Side B is approved because it delivers high-contrast, perfectly framed optical data. Cash App's optical character recognition system has zero tolerance for ambiguity. Delivering absolute optical clarity is the only way to satisfy the OCR check and move your application forward. With your flawless data submitted, the environment shifts from active user input to server-side processing. If you receive another error at this stage, you may be hitting a temporary server outage. Implement a strict 2-hour waiting protocol to outlast the high network traffic before you attempt a resubmission. If the automated system continues to fail after that window, initiate a manual review. Open your profile, navigate to the Support tab, and open a direct chat ticket to escalate your pristine documents to human support staff. Mastering the app means knowing exactly when to let the algorithm process your inputs and when it is time to force human intervention. When your precise execution pays off, the failure prompt disappears, replaced by the final systemic confirmation notification. Your account restrictions are lifted. Process major transfers, execute stock trades, and move cryptocurrency freely. If this protocol helped you clear your error, subscribe to AI App Mentor for more tactical app knowledge and step-by-step technical fixes. By methodically stripping away network variables and delivering precise optical data, you have taken a locked terminal and restored it into a powerful financial tool.